Do you ever feel like you're working out but not seeing any changes? Like you spend time exercising but your strength doesn't improve and the fat won't budge? What if I told you there's one move that can change all that right at home with just a dumbbell? Meet the Left Bulgarian Split Squat. Imagine standing tall, one foot behind you resting gently on a chair or step, holding a dumbbell close, ready to power up your legs and core all at once. This move isn't just any squat. It targets your muscles deeply, challenges your balance, and boosts your fat-burning engine faster than most workouts. I know it sounds tough, but that's the magic. When you do the Left Bulgarian Split Squat, you're not just building strength, you're shaping better balance and functional fitness that helps you move easier every day. And since it works one leg at a time, it fixes muscle imbalances that slow you down or lead to injury. Here's how it goes. Step 1, foot back on a surface. Keep your chest proud, dumbbell firm in hand. Lower yourself slowly like you're sitting in a chair. Feel your quads and glutes fire up, then push back to standing. It's like giving your legs a secret weapon. Try doing 3 sets of 10 easy to fit in any space or schedule. The best part, you don't need fancy machines or tons of time. Just this single move can melt fat and build muscle faster than boring cardio or endless reps. And every time you do it, you're one step closer to feeling stronger and more confident. Curious how this one workout fits into a full plan that's simple, fun, and gets results? Subscribe and dive into the playlist. Your strongest self is just one squat away.